She shows us what half a lemon dipped in baking soda can do to improve your health. The internet has been abuzz with this new idea. According to this new idea, consuming lemon with baking soda can improve the overall health and protect against the incidence of cancer. Eva Fox, with Home Remedies for Health, presents a step-by-step tutorial for the preparation and use of this method. This combo provides a wide range of benefits. Thus, we decided to show you some of the most prominent benefits of combining lemon and baking soda. Benefits of lemon and baking soda. Improves the digestion. This powerful combination has powerful effects on the digestion. It fights flatulence due to the anti-acid properties. Moreover, it fights gastroesophageal reflux due to the hydrochloric acid. Purifies the body. This combination can detox the liver, provides the necessary dose of vitamin C and potassium. Alkalizes the body. This combo will alkalize the organism. Moreover, it will fight acidosis and facilitate the work of the kidneys. Preparation method. Ingredients: 1 organic lemon, 1 teaspoon sodium bicarbonate baking soda, 8 ounces of hot not boiling clean, filtered water, 1 teaspoon organicity optional. Instructions: you should add baking soda and lemon juice into the glass of water. Then, stir it and drink it right away. You should consume this drink 3 to 4 times a day. However, make sure you never take it on a full stomach, as it can be counterproductive. Hence, consume it always in the morning and before meals. Take this remedy for 2 weeks in a row, and then rest 2 more. Note: avoid taking this remedy if you suffer from gastritis, hypertension, or heart issues. If you like